In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a cookie banner on your website using the Hostinger website builder. A cookie banner is an essential feature for any website, not only because it helps comply with legal requirements, but also because it informs your visitors about how their data might be used. So let's dive into the straightforward process of setting this up. If you're using the Hostinger website builder, enabling your cookie banner is a breeze. Start by heading over to your website's general settings. You'll find these in the main menu of the Hostinger website builder, sort of like the control center for your site. Think of it as the place where you can adjust the core aspects of your website's functionality and appearance. Once you're into the general settings, you'll see an option related to the cookie banner. By enabling this feature, you're turning on the notification that informs your visitors about your site's cookie usage. It's an essential checkbox to tick so that your audiences are aware and assured that their privacy is respected while browsing your site. Now, suppose your website caters to a diverse audience and is accessible in multiple languages. In that case, you'll be pleased to know that customizing the cookie banner for each language is also quite simple. To do this, navigate over to the editor where you manage different versions of your website's language. This multi-language capability ensures that your message is clear and culturally relevant, no matter where your visitors might be located. In the editor, select the version of your website in the preferred language you wish to customize. Once you're there, open up the general settings again and focus on editing the text of the cookie banner. Here's your chance to use language that resonates best with your audience, perhaps incorporating some friendly tone or specific terminology that makes them feel more at home. Remember, the more personalized your communication, the more trustworthy your website appears. After you've adjusted the cookie banner text for each of the languages your site supports, it's crucial to update your site. By clicking on Publish or Save Changes, you're making sure that all the edits you've made go live. This step is fundamental because without this update, all your customization efforts will not reflect online for your visitors to see. In summary, setting up and customizing a cookie banner with Hostinger Website Builder is a straightforward process. It reinforces your website's commitment to transparency and privacy. Follow these steps, tailor your message in each language, and your site will be well on its way to creating a better and more compliant user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more website management tips and tricks.